Wow, we have got on, mate, haven't you?
Yeah, it dropped off, Chief. It just dropped off. This is coming off as well.
Is that a joint? Oh no, just...
No, just that, well, we think, as you can see, the rivets that hold these three things on are behind that.
Oh, I see.
So we think that's a mod that's bolted on, look. It's just bolted on for the fairing that goes here, because the gun's heavier, and also it had radar equipment on it.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it said the radar gun did it. It was a later version, wasn't it? Towards the end of the war.
Yeah. But so we're able to take, this is coming off, it splits in half, it's two halves. Do one half at a time, plus these three items, then start to rebuild it again. So that then it goes back on, and because this metal butts up to each other, it doesn't overlap. Next year when we come to change these skins, if we need to do, we don't affect this, because this has been done. We can then move forward, not have to take this all off again, because we're having to do a lot of revisiting on things. It's getting a bit tedious. But yeah, looks totally different, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Brad's got a picture of one with a jet engine here.
Oh,
a whittle on the back.
Did you come all the way from Australia to do this job?
I certainly did.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have missed it for the world. This is the washdown after the paint strip. That lovely stuff here, that's what we strip it with. And we end up looking like that, and it goes all bubbly. And then we get busy with a scraper and scrape it all off. Until we end up like this.
And what about the inside? Is that done as well?
Yeah, I've pretty much done that. As you can see, it's pretty clean.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Not too much. All those panels go together. You can see if I hold these up, that is roughly the shape of the back of the airplane.
Yeah.
These are just stiffeners for the back of the aircraft.
That's corrosion. That black part's the darker colour. But there's not enough there to warrant changing it. That'll just polish off really simply.
Yeah.
Then we'll etch prime it and treat it again, and that'll be as it was. So that's discoloration is a corrosion.
It would
It's a little bit on this, but nothing much.
have to be stamped out, that would, wouldn't it? With a curve on it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Oh, and you've got, this is all are these good, these heavy duty?
Yeah, the odd hole that needs to be sorted out, but just put a bigger rivet in and things like that. But but you can see
there's a couple of there, isn't there?
You see the corrosion
Elongated.
there, like you see. But that's such a small amount that we'll just polish off, and then we can repaint it properly.
Oh, good.
So I don't think we'll have to change anything in the back, just the rivets. And there's these holes they've drilled for some reason, and I don't know why. It's probably something to do with a boot or something. It used to have a leather jacket inside it.
Oh yeah.
You know, to catch things. That's all gone. But I'll put rivets in these holes.
Rear form of the fuselage. This is where the strengthener was, with the towing brackets fitted at the bottom. Now in here we've got spen. There's not much light on, I can't see you very well.
Hand in the doorway, is that any better? It needs a floodlight.
Yeah. What are you doing? Rewiring, you say?
Yeah, we're stripping obsolete wiring out, wiring that's been damaged. And we're going to strip it out because as the aircraft is having a total rewire, so if we need to put some more back in, then there'll be brand new wiring going in.
Good. Right, I'll see you then, Spen. Thanks very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
The porch is now in place.
You alright there?
Not too bad, Ken.
Yeah, not so bad.
Was the leading edge as bad on that one when you took the metal strip off?
Yeah, the
Yeah, they seem to be both in the same place, right at the tip, don't they?
we're trying to save the bottom ones. Cause the bottom ones were alley. You know, the inboard.
This one?
Yeah, there was a small one there that went to about just
Yeah.
by the black end, I think it was.
Yeah.
So we've just started stripping down. We've taken the first 3 nose ribs off. There and the bottom one. That's nose rib 1, 2 and 3.
Oh, I see. Oh, yes, I've gone here, yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2 and 3. They're on the bench there.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, it's not very thick metal at all, but once it's all in there and it's held rigid, it does the job.
Yeah. These have got to be all remade, have the new ones?
Yeah, they're just too corroded. Look, you've got it.
Oh, yeah.
The rivet hole right on the edge.
Yeah.
It's all broken and corroded here.
The firm here are not capable, not capable, hasn't got the equipment to...
We haven't got the equipment to do these lightning holes.
Yeah.
They're the critical component.
Yeah.
But it's the making of the former.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They make them all of wood, do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't mark the metal then.
Yeah. Oh, good. Thanks, John. Aye, that's the one, yeah.
Just annealed it, that's heated up and we've softened it a bit. There's a Paxton block that goes in there, because this is where your trim cables come through.
Yeah.
And
does the block fit this side of the...
It fits this side.
Yeah.
But the holes that the bolts go through are all cracked. So that was the only thing wrong with that one. There's those cracked holes, so we had a new one.
So you've got it already made?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You've just got to put the
holes in and dimple it, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is not an easy job.
No. Well, when you say it's not an easy job, why is that then?
Because when you dimple it, you're stretching the metal, and you could crack it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a bit difficult in that respect.
Yeah. Oh, so you've got to be very careful with it then, haven't you?
Okay. The block and make a tree.
Oh, you warmed it up, did you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to make it a bit more malleable. You know?
Yeah. Trouble is, with heating aluminium up, you can destroy it, can't you?
Yeah. What you do is you put some soap on it.
What does the soap do?
It goes brown. Once it goes brown, you reach the temperature.
Oh, is that how?
Switch your heat off. Yeah.
What sort of soap? Any soap?
Yeah. Yeah, for washing your hands.
And what temperature would that reach?
Oh, I've no idea.
But that's the way you do it.
Starts turning brown. That's it. You know you've nailed it.
Oh, good.
And you got about 20 minutes to
Yeah.
work on it, and then it'll harden again.
Does it work harden with them doing that? Does it get harder? No.
You're not really stressing
No.
enough to do that.
Oh, so it's just a paint job for you now and then reassemble?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for next.